Hey YouTube, I just want to show you the insight of how the snorkeling mask world has changed and what's available in the market right now. This summertime, I mean spring now, and summer will be here soon. If you're booking tickets to go abroad, you could just bring summer to you. So here's the classic. What you normally see is a snorkeling hose and a diving mask. And this one is the full face one where you can actually breathe through your nose and you don't need to bite onto a snorkeling hose. It just relies on this, which is clipped on top of this. And this one also comes with a Gopro holder as well to record your experience. And the benefit of this is that this will never fog up. This, whereas when you perspire, whatever, it will fog up, and you need to put anti-fog or whatchamacallit. Your classic way of doing this is to spit into your goggle, into your mask, and just rub it around, and that would eliminate the fog. Here you have air just going straight. You breathe in, it goes through this chamber so it could clear out any sort of humidity, and then it goes through these two pads, and you breathe in through your nose. And this while you're breathing in, this has a blockage. It blocks water from going inside, and it only allows air going out. That's it. So when you breathe out, it only goes out from here, and this would actually prevent air from going back out. So this is, you see this pad, it stops it from happening, and only allows it to go down when air goes in through this direction. So this is a slight difference in that this has a curved rather than a flat. This really doesn't make too much of a difference because they think that you could have a wider vision with this curve, but you could simply unconsciously just tilt your face and it's okay. It's not too big of a deal. This is the best, newest iteration, is in that it has a squeezable silicone nose, and it's to mimic this. So the thing is, when you go below the surface, up to a certain level, your ears will hurt because the pressure of the water is pushing air into your ear, and it's going to hurt your eardrums. So what you do is you squeeze your nose and then you let some of that air out, and so that it could equalize. So this is what that allows you. You notice that this doesn't have that, so you're limited to just being at the surface, near the surface of the water. You can't go deeper, any deeper, whereas this will allow you to go deeper. And this also comes with earplugs as well. I rarely use this. I just equalize as normal and it's fine. This one doesn't have a GoPro holder, although some do as well. You notice that this is also more compact, and this is a one-size-fits-all. It's not much to worry because I actually use a extra large size, and it's fine. My face fits in here quite well. And just to note that because I'm diving deeper, for the first time I feel the face mask is pushing against my face harder. But that's fine. It creates a better seal and it's not too uncomfortable. At least I haven't gone deep enough to be extremely uncomfortable yet. So you also notice that this breathing up with the snorkel hose is bigger too. So I don't know what's the benefit of that. Maybe you could just go a few inches deeper to prevent water from popping in. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you'd like to see more of these reviews, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace!